Hey everybody, this is Anonymous with my friend Cliggers, and we are going to try to land on a truck with a helicopter. We've done it before, and then we tried to do it again and we blew up. So, we're going to try to not blow up.
Wait, why don't we try and land on that train?
Yeah,
We want
just
this
land on the. Oh, it stopped. That's because, dude, it ran out of track. Oh, dude.
See, look, this is what happens when you're not a good pilot. We're letting me drive.
Can I drive?
Boom. There, now it has been done. Let's see if we can stay on this thing. Oops.
It's run out of track. Wait, no, it hasn't. Go. Go, Rangers, you're gonna hit that light pole.
Or actually,
Yeah. Oh, see, I told you.
no!
And it blew up. And
Seriously?
the train just sits there.
Is it?
Stupid train, you got someone on top.
You know what?
Let's, motorcycle.
Holy moly!
Yeah, give me your car.
You know what? We're gonna go to the airport. You know what? We're gonna get another one.
Put another little message, so if we get angry, we blow it up. That's what I do.
Just remember, always 420. Hell yeah!
There we go.
Oh my gosh. Alright, if you guys just saw how bad that handling was, please just give a like and hope that maybe this thing can actually get something real.
If we had our cars, it'd probably do better, but...
Look at how fast that spins out. That deserves something.
Hey dude, you just hit two of the exact same cars. Like that never happens in GTA. Oh yes, guys. Please tell your friends or whoever about our channel, because we need the likes and views and subscribers and whatever else. We need to finally dodge some.
Finally, I'm not terrible.
I think there's too many of the same cars driving around.
But we're gonna just try and go over there.
Let's go over a ramp with a not so good car.
Oh, we're just gonna ram through this.
Bye bye, copper. Huh. These guys are.
Wait, we're gonna go. Why am I so bad at driving today? Why? Because I just woke up like 30 minutes ago.
Yeah. Dangerous.
I think they're around here, right?
It's the road. So, if you guys have anything that you would like us to, I don't know, do or whatever, we'll just try to pick up the truck.
Oh my gosh. We're gonna go try and pick it up now because we found a cargo boat.
But, yes, if you, what was I saying? Oh yeah, if you could tell, no wait, that wasn't it. Oh, tell us what things we could do, like glitches or try to do this, rob stores, whatever.
Just going online, just trolling people, going on sticky bombs.
I'll do that. But if you can do that,
We'll appreciate it. It'll help us out a lot because we know what your feedback is and what you guys like to see.
yeah, and hopefully that'll make us very useful. We should drive a plane through there soon.
Alright, you know what? This random car right here, this thing's getting picked up.
It's going under a bridge.
No, when it comes out of the bridge.
That's a weird bridge. Just smashed through it. Okay. Okay. If we find a truck and we pick it up, please give us a like. Oh my gosh, you're gonna die. Oh my gosh. Then we just, I don't know. There's too many of those. You're just going around in a circle, saying you can't get me.
Well, we're gonna go another place. How about we just pick up a random car?
Yeah. Oh my gosh, this one's harder to get. Oh my god. See how
So small.
No, I mean, oh my gosh, it's just sitting still. Let's pick up a bridge. That bridge right there? Yeah. After we get the car. Oh. Did you get it?
No, but it should have.
Maybe, we're parking. Like school buses. Parking.
Yes, we got it.
Let's go really high up and drop.
Exactly like Anna said. We're gonna go up and drop this thing really high and see what it'll hit.
Either that or put it on the tower thing. The thing that has the hooks.
How about we put it on the maze bank and then we drive off and see if we survive?
Yeah!
Let's go.
Let's parachute out of it. No, let's land. No.
We have to land it.
Let's land it on
Land it on the maze bank and we'll fly out and parachute.
then. How are we gonna get back up to the plane?
We're not. That's the point.
How are we gonna get it back up to the building?
We're not. We're driving off.
So,
We're driving off.
we're gonna crash the helicopter and then crash the car.
Yep.
You pretty much just smashed.
Yep. Pretty much. That's basically all we're doing. Oh yeah, if you also saw that mission where I did Coveted, I also love playing missions. I love doing commentaries with my friends. And just let us know what mission you want me to do. Just make sure I'm able to play with my level. So just please leave us feedback. That will help us out a lot.
Yep. Yeah.
I think the cargo level goes slow.
Well, that's because it's heavy. Oh, yeah. Now, go up higher. Oh no! We didn't make it.
Freak.
How? Dude. No, we almost landed on that. Well, goodbye, people. Bye.
You know what? I think that was a pretty funny ending, so we're gonna end it out there. Thank you all for watching. This has been Cliggers and Anonymous out. Please like, comment, and of course